Good morning, y'all. So, today is a rainy day. Look, yes, it is. But on rainy days, y'all, it is great for cleansing work. Wiping your walls down on a rainy day removes negative energy. Wipe your walls down with some spiritual bath and floor wash or some cleansing herbs. Make a bath and floor wash. It's great for purification on today. It's thundering, great for re-energizing. It's amazing, the weather. So I'm gonna get outside today and start my garden, y'all. You hear it? Y'all caught it. Hear that, y'all? Oh yeah, that's good timing. But I'm gonna get out here and um try to start on my plants. I did start yesterday, clean them out, and I'm gonna start the not harvesting, but the planting of my veggies and my herbs this weekend, though. All right, y'all. Many blessings of abundance to everybody. And today is a good day for love work, baby. It's Friday. I'm doing a love ritual. Not many seats left. Calling all motherfucking hearts, y'all. I'll talk y'all later. Bye.